Hey dolls, it's your girl Shadella and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be recreating this picture of this pillowcase that I got from Amazon. First thing first, to recreate this, I am going to need a doll. So I have this doll right here and she is beautiful. She does have a smile, which the doll on the picture don't. She does have the big heel, and that's an option. This is a second option. And did you guys saw this video? If you have not, definitely check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. She has the curly ear, she does have freckle, and she does has a smile. Let's try another option. So I have this Barbie doll. I actually bought her for the glasses because the wrong glasses on the picture. This is $2.10, and as I said, I only really bought her for the shades, but I think she'll be a great match to do this recreation. Here is her out of the box. She looking like it could work. It looking like it can work. I need to remove the shades from her head in order to get this going. This was a little work to get off, and the glass shades is bent up. Trying to mold it back now. I'm just hoping that it don't break because I'm gonna be so mad. I'm not sure if it's straight as yet, but we'll move on. So she have these string ties at the sides, and I'm just gonna use the scissors to get those off. Barbie number 210 is a great match on the soccer made to move. So she has now been head swapped. Her hair is already washed, and now it's time to style her hair. So I am just going to put most of her hair in a ponytail, and I leave out in the center because the two front pieces are straight here. So my leave out piece, I am going to fold it, add a rubber band, manipulate it to get it to lay the way I want it to. So I have just painted the shades with a gold metallic paint, and I have this chain, but this is not going to work to get that look. This look where the chain is just dangling beautifully. I have this stretchy cord, and I decided to use this by knotting it on both ends, and there you have it. Adding some makeup to my doll using some pens that I'm accustomed to using. Don't know the name, but I love them. I absolutely do love them. They are removable, and not just put them on and try and remove them in about a 10 minutes period. No, you can leave them on a day or two and it will still be removable. So I like to look at this. Look at her highlighter. Add some blush, blend, and her makeup is done. So it's that time to make her head tie. The only thing I can think about is to cut a piece of white cloth, stitch it down, and then just paint on top of it the different colors. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm hoping that it turns out good. Cross your fingers. I am so nervous. It is that time to just allow it to dry, and hopefully it turns out well. Okay, so I just went ahead, made a quick little background using background eraser. Okay, so now it's time for clothes. So I made this doll skirt, I think a few years ago. I made a few doll clothes that I have not worn. I should make a video of that. But moving on. Okay, I made the skirt, and I went and get a piece of yellow stretchy fabric so that in to make a halter top, and I want to attach some sunflowers. So I bought these sunflowers off of Amazon. Not happy with them, they are already falling apart, but I bought them specifically for the smaller ones so that I can attach to the halter top. Yes, to bring in that look. So I'm just gonna use some hot glue and glue those around the front. And that little green piece, I want to add that too. So I just take one leaf from the flowers, attach that, and added more sunflowers just to fill up the piece, the top, to fill in the top. And I think it turned out really good. It kind of looks like it, right? Right? Please say it. It looks like it. It looks like it. Put on her skirt and the outfit is complete. Headscarf, check. The glasses with the chain, check. The one earring, check. The sunflower top, check. And the skirt, more check. The sunflower does not go all the way around the back. We don't know if she has it on in the back. And this is what I am trying to nail. A throw pillowcase that I got from Amazon. And I think I nailed it. What's your thoughts? Leave that in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Bye, dolls.